All right, so let's talk about some conversions here. So we're given 29.5 inches to feet. Again, start with what you want. We want feet. So let's start with 1 foot, and we can get to inches pretty quickly because we know that 1 foot has 12 inches. And if I put inches on the bottom, I know I'm going to put inches up top. Remember, everything is over 1. So I know these inches is going to cancel here and here. And all I have left is feet, right? I've accounted for what I was given here. I've canceled out the inches on that, and I'm left with feet, and I'm asked for feet. So now I just multiply straight across. 1 times 29.5 is 29.5. 12 times 1 is 12, and the division gets you 2.46 feet. And that makes sense. If we think about 29.5 inches, that's about 2.5 feet. So that one's good. Now, 245.3 feet to miles. Before we start, we can estimate 245.3 feet is going to be not many miles, right? Because a mile is already 5,280 feet. So it's going to be some small fraction of a mile. Let's go again. Always start by putting what you want on top. So we know 1 mile is 5,280 feet. That gets us to feet already, right? So what's on bottom goes on top. We know the feet are going to cancel. Miles going to be left over. So we just multiply straight across. And we're left with 245.3 over 5,280, which gets us a small fraction, which matches our estimation. Okay. Now, 0.11 liters is how many centimeters cubed. So start with what you want, centimeters cubed. And we know from the conversion chart that 1 centimeter cubed is 1 milliliter. And as soon as we put milliliters on bottom, we're going to put it on top so it can cancel. And if we did a little Googling, we'd know that 1,000 milliliters equals 1 liter. So we multiply straight across, and we get 1s on the bottom, right? Sorry, I forgot. The liter here cancels with what we're given. And we end up with 1,000 times 0.011, or 0.11, and we get our answer. And that makes sense, right? 1/10 of a liter is going to be about 110 centimeters cubed, because a liter is pretty big. A centimeter cubed, given that we know it's a milliliter, is pretty small. All right, 0.0459 meters to inches. So some small fraction of a meter is going to be maybe a couple inches, right? Because we know a meter is about 3 feet before we even start. Start with what we want, which is inches. So they're left over. 1 inch is 2.54 centimeters. If you did a little Googling, you'd know that 100 centimeters is 1 meter, and the centimeters cancel. And we're already to meters, which is what we need, right? Or what we were given. And so those meters cancel with what we're given. When you multiply straight across, you get a 100 times that, gets you 4.59, divided by 2.54 times 1, which is 2.54, and you get 1.81 inches, which matches our estimation.